To protect children against physical, mental and sexual abuses, the Lagos State government has engaged 400 parents and caregivers from Education District to attend an event tagged Parents Association Conference on Child Safeguarding. The engagement held in Ikeja was organized by the Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency in collaboration with the Office of Education Quality Assurance. Speaking at the event, the Executive Secretary of DSVA, Titilola Vivo Adeniyi, said it had become expedient to protect children from abuse that could spiral into violence. Vivo Adeniyi, who was represented by the Head Psychology Department of DSVA, Olive Oluwagbemileke, said the conference was designed to enlighten parents on the process of reporting cases of violence and abuses on children.
Nowadays, a lot of parents use the wrong method of correcting children, and they use punishment rather than discipline. You know, when parents is frustrated with a child's wrong behavior, they want the child to suffer from that. And this, we have known, has led to a lot of violence in the society, a lot of rebellion from the child, a lot of aggressive behavior, and all sorts. And now, I'm coming from the psychological angle to shed light that punishment over the time has not been an effective tool to correcting wrong behaviors in children, rather discipline.
There are various avenues to deal with different situations. So if it involves arresting the culprit, the police is there. If it involves going into legal stage, going to court, DSV and Ministry of Justice is there. If it involves taking the health care of that child, the Ministry of Health and so on are there. So it's a multi-agency activity. So not only OEQA, but OEQA is so much concerned when it involves school children.
Hope and high opener for most of the parents to take their children very serious. Since the Lagos State has set up a body called Child Rights Law for the protection of our children, it is now for us to work on that law and make sure that our child are well protected. And if all these things are taken into cognizance, in fact, I believe a lot of abnormality, a lot of social vices that is happening around Lagos State will get reduced tremendously.
If parents can be intentional, checking for who they leave their children with, checking the school the children go to, do they have a child protection policy in their schools? As parents, you must go an extra mile. Who are the people that mind my children in my school? Have they all signed the policy? Do they understand the place of protecting children from the school environment? These are the things, even in the church. Every church too also can come up with a child protection policy. A mosque can come up with it and make sure that all their workers, so far you are handling children, you should have signed the child protection policy.